Here we are outside of the 2023 XLR. They have a couple new floor plans that they released, so check out those. They did rename all of their previous floor plans, so be on the lookout for that. A couple new things they did. They added a couple of new interior lights and changed some of the interior features of these, new colors and everything. On the exterior here that they did, you still have the fiberglass exterior. On the boosts and the micro boosts, they still have, they got a new paint job, a couple of new stickers on there, but standard thing they still have. You got nice ground clearance, nice big tow capacity back there for all your toys and everything. Still have the party deck, still have the bed and everything back there for all your kids when they're coming over to play. I saw some toy haulers by XLR. Come check them out. Check out the new floor plans that they released here in 2023 and check out the redesigns of the old ones.